Oh no, today I pronounce consonant. Mm, mm, mm. Medicine, medicine, medicine. You should take some medicine. Apartment, 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 apartment. I have an apartment with Doctor Strength. Uh, stomach ache, stomach ache, stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Hmm. Uh. 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 Pen. 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 I am painful again. Vegetarian. 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 I love vegetarian food because it's very good for my health. Patient. 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 He's a cancer patient. Hmm. 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 Something. 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 I need something for a sure truth. Anger. 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 Anger is dangerous to the health. Bleeding. 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 My nose is bleeding. Hospital. 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 He has to go to the hospital. Headache. 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 I suffer from headache. Harmful. 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 Smoking is harmful to the health. Uh, uh, uh. Control. 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 Disease prevention is more important than disease control. Medical. 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 I have a medical checkup tomorrow. Flu. 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 She has got a flu. Ru. 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 energy, energy, energy. I have an energy to seafood. Surgeon, 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 surgeon. His father is a heart. His father is a heart surgeon. X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. I have an X-ray yesterday. War, 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 wound, wound, wound. His wound is infected. Unwell, unwell, unwell. She says she was feeling unwell. Worry, worry, worry. Don't worry about me. I'm okay. Run, 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 run. People should do more exercise. Younger, younger, younger. Eating yogurt is very good for our digestion. Roller, roller, roller. I do yoga every day to keep fit. Bye.